Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai or Kia guys. It could be any engine, and if you have clunking guys or engine movement when you're changing gears, let's say, or you go from park to reverse to drive and you hear engine noise, clunking, something moving, hitting, and you open the hood and you see the engine moving, we'll explain the number one reason for that. It's pretty simple fix guys. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos for you. Now, if you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So with that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here. This is the engine out of a Kia Hyundai guys. It's actually out of that Hyundai, but it's been used in multiple Kia models as well. It's exactly the same engine. If you come guys, okay, to the engine right here, you will notice that you have engine mounts. Okay, this is the engine mount. When you open the hood, you will face the engine that way. Okay, you will face the engine that way. That's your passenger side engine mount. Now, if your engine mounts are broken, it's very likely you hear that clunking noise because it will allow engine movement. But this one could be bad, but there is another one that's bad for sure. This is your transmission mount. Right here, those are the two mounts that keep the engine up, and you have one mount that keeps the engine, okay, from rocking back and forth when you're changing gears, when you're stopping, turning, and it's known as a torque strut mount, and it's on the bottom of the engine right here guys. It attaches with one bolt to the engine and two bolts to the body. And that mount right here, if it fails, what will happen? It will allow some engine movement, it will have play, and it can actually cause that clunking noise. Most of the times you will need to replace that mount guys to fix that problem. In some cases, if that mount was bad and you drove the car for a while, or you have a higher mileage vehicle, you may need to replace the passenger side and the transmission mount as well, because they will get some stress on them as well. And this is actually hydraulic field mount on many Hyundai and Kia models. It has fluid that actually catches the small vibrations, because the purpose of it is to make your car really nice and smooth. Even those new engines comes with counterbalance shafts that are mounted to the oil pump to make your engine smooth guys. So that's the most common reason. Now, if you have any question about Hyundai, Kia guys, check out our channel. Also check out our other channels right here. You can find electrical video and diagnostics on electrical car repair live, and on world mechanics we'll have more Kia videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.